What's up everybody, F35 Morris back with another video, and we are following up the red injet intake with a strut bar from Megan Racing. It has now been painted, so let's get right into the install without wasting any more time. So to start, we are going to put the support ends loosely on the car. All it is are the two 16mm bolts that go on top of the strut tower, and the same for the other side. So I'm just going to loosen them up and then put these in and tighten them back loosely so everything can be adjusted. Then from there, we're going to take our now beautifully color matched strut bar in between the two mounts. Now that everything's in its rough position, tighten down the 16mm, of course on the other side, to 25 foot-pounds. Now, with everything torqued on the car, the strut bar bolts itself are torqued to 22 foot-pounds. They are an 8mm Allen and a 14mm counter hold. So let's torque them down. Here is the final shot. There we have it. That is the Megan Racing Strut Tower Brace. I personally love this mod just for the aesthetic reasons. I'm not going to get in the car and pretend that now it's a button down M3 or anything like that. I got it specifically for the eye candy aspect. If you believe that it does something well for steering as well, I'll be happy to hear all your feedback. But anyways, this is F35 Morris with another video for you guys, and I hope you guys all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.